because there has been a feeling that by Kenya engaging with the United States to have a trade arrangement, we are running away from our commitments to the Africa Free Trade Arrangement. And I want to assure you that there can be nothing further from the truth. That is definitely not the case. Kenya was not only in the forefront during the negotiations of the Africa Free Trade Agreement, but we were also amongst the first countries to sign, and indeed the first country to ratify the arrangement. And our commitment to the Africa Free Trade area is unwavering. But what we've said is that said and done, whatever arrangements that we would enter into with the United States would not go against just the agreements that we have under the Africa Free Trade Arrangement, just as I am certain the United States will not enter into an arrangement with us that goes against pre-existing trade arrangements. All we are saying is that there are some of us, and Kenya is one of those, who feels that we are ready. We are ready to move forward. And what we're saying is, let the rest of the continent see us as pace setters. Let them see us as the people who are clearing the field for future negotiations with the rest of the African continent, because Kenya feels ready for this arrangement. And we don't want to be held back. We see clearly the opportunity that exists, and we want to be trailblazers and set a path for others on the continent to follow. So we're not breaking away.
Mr. President, we honored you last year as a Distinguished Leaders Award in Nairobi because we see your ambition, we see your vision, we understand what's happening in Kenya, and we want to embrace it and be fully supportive.